Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you from my newest Google AdWords guide the 5 biggest mistakes you make on your Google AdWords account that burn your money. Before we start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Stefan Wolf. I work in digital marketing for over 9 years now. I was a head of SEO and SEA AdWords at a large company in Germany, and I spend a lot of money on my own Google AdWords account. I am self-employed for 5 years now, and in this video I think I can tell you what works and what doesn't work because I spent a lot of money and I have a lot of experience with Google AdWords. Mistake number 1 is your CPC is too low. When you start a campaign on Google AdWords and Google tells you your CPC is too low, you won't be shown on the first side of Google. That doesn't mean that this is the price you have to pay. It just means that you have to go over this price in order to get shown by Google. And when you get shown by Google, you get all the metrics from Google. You get the CTR rate, you get the quality score. And when you start with Google, you get a quality score from 6 to 10. And Google needs the data from your website, from your ad, in order to improve your quality score. And that's the main purpose of your Google AdWords account. Improve your quality score, because when your quality score is high, then you pay less for every click. And that's the main secret for every successful AdWords account. Mistake number 2 is you insert all your keywords on broad. Mistake number 3 is you let your ads be shown all the time. In my experience, the best time when people buy products, especially in e-commerce, is in the evening and on Sundays. So if you're not making a lot of return on investment on your Google AdWords account, then consider just like running the ads on Sundays and in the evening. Mistake number 4 is you don't have enough ad groups. You need to have an ad group for every single keyword. Repeat, for every single keyword you have to have your own ad group, because then your quality score will raise and you don't pay as much as you have to for every click. That's the secret, we talked about it earlier. And number 5 is you just confirm all the settings when you set up a campaign on Google AdWords that Google tells you. That's a big mistake. You can burn a lot of money with Google AdWords. So if you don't know what you do, then you have to search somebody who can set up your account properly, or you just take these steps in my guide where I tell you exactly which feature you have to enable and which feature you don't have to enable in order to save money on your Google AdWords account. So that's everything. If you want to see more videos like this, then just hit the like button and subscribe for more digital marketing and social media marketing advice from me, Stefan. See you next time. Bye.